Okay, now we will start first click here and sketch, and we will say convert entity, and it'll basically draw a line in the flower pattern. But other than that, it look like that. Then we're gonna extra cut this bridge that's created here. Okay, now it is a set of teeth instead of that little ridge. Obviously for mating because the shaft needs to enter inside and exit. Anyway, we will click on this surface now, sketch. Here we will also say convert, so draw a circle, and we extrude by extrude the 12 millimeter and face here. Here we draw a circle, hover on the corner so it displays the center. That center. Exactly. After that, we extrude by 5 millimeters, like this. Okay. Now we will cut teeth on this because obviously they're cut in this side, but this side also needs mesh because the power is coming somewhere, then going side or whatever. Let's on this sketch and bench 7.5 here. We will like the circle that for construction. Let me. Not sure why this yellow color diameter. Not sure. Asking that it's over dimension. We will draw a line from center, draw it up to once, pass through, and that will and from the center of might as well click line and construction. Correct region. And here we what we did last time, basically like mirror and circle about the other side, everything set up. And in this case, outer circle this instead of go to entity, and now we start removing again. We just space and let me white outer that down here start basically that we don't, and this obviously construction line, so might as well draw uh, bottom will be like this, not for solid line, and it's we cut this cut by a think similar to what last time. This is 20, not 8. This is other than that correct, and this now we play this five another slide side well, but very small, and last we applied time, and I think it's not a fillet, it's chamfer. In chamfer you can apply an angle. It's a chamfer. Yeah, it's a chamfer. We will apply a chamfer and at a degree of it should cut out material. And now we basically pattern this, and we apply a circular pattern. This here's but oh sorry, the direction it made, and then the uh, basic and select Easton, and I think all the other regions are selected. Chamfer backs, the chamfers might as well select the well. There you go. 15 of these are created on the surface with that slight uh, ramp that is created at the edge. Chamfer we applied to this, might as well apply it to this as well as this. So it will look something like this, and now we will fillet the tips of these to 4 millimeters. But we're gonna have to manually select all of them. Okay, so in order to finalize this, I have the one of these bevel gears is needed with a fill inside, but this back shaft needs to be connected, which we just created. But this side is filled, so I will uh, save this and name it bevel shaft, right? And I will, because I forgot to save, I still need to save this in another format, which is basically without a lot of these connected parts. Basically, we need a normal uh, bevel gear that we made only up to this point. So all this has to go. All these recent connections and extrusions or stuff. This gets deleted. Now we are changing because we need this inside cut that we made in the last video. And then we just remove this entire part. But don't press Control S because this will overwrite the other one that we just made. We just need this to, then we extrude it, and then afterwards we made a few sketches and whatnot. This is deleted. It'll cause an error, I think. Yep. Many of the things further down the tree were being carried out on this. So this is what we need. This with the uh, because this will slot on top of uh, just remove anything else other than that's not supposed to be there. Close. All these are removed by one. Let me. It'll make a few sounds. It will cause some errors, but no, we don't need to edit that sketch. Again, don't press Control S because uh, this will overwrite the work we just did. All that work we did. All these sketches. This. Well. Um, basically these commands below this command. I think it's already discarded, so only thing that this sketch as well, don't need sketch. And cut extrude, yes. Now we need to say in file and save as rather than save. So now this is a hollow bevel. This is a different part to the bevel shaft we saved earlier. This is a hollow bevel, and we haven't changed the other part. It's still saved. It's the data for that is still there. So now I'm ending the video here, and we will move on to, I think, the last part of the housing, the opposite part of the housing. After that, we'll start assembling.